Today is day 24 of learning. The goal is 100 days of Power BI. So without further ado, let's get back to learning and upskilling ourselves. Welcome to day 24.
Oftentimes, your data will be stored in several different tables. In order to analyze all of your data, you will need to combine them into one dataset. In this lesson, we will learn how to use Power Query to stitch together the different queries in order to accomplish this. Have you ever encountered a situation where the data you wish to analyze is stored in 5 or 6 Excel sheets? This is quite a common practice in many companies, as it eases the operational burden. It can also be a fourth situation when there is simply too much data to be stored in one file. Luckily, Power Query has a handy feature that can combine your data as long as the structure of each file you are combining is similar. This feature is called Append Query. In other times, you will be working with data that has several tables, but there are one or more common columns in those tables. This is most often encountered when connecting to a data model with a star or snowflake schema. In some cases, you will need to combine those tables together to make a flatter file structure. This is accomplished by using the Merge Queries feature in Power Query. When you need to add rows to your data, you will use the Append feature in Power Query. This can be thought of as vertically stacking the tables you wish to combine on top of each other. Using the Append feature can combine all the files into one large master dataset containing sales data from all quarters. An important thing to note is that in order to combine the data successfully using Append, you must make sure that the column names in the tables you are appending are exactly the same, and that all the tables have the same number of columns. Otherwise, the combined table will have null values, like the second illustration on this slide. The concept of merging queries will be quite familiar to you if you've used SQL joins or VLOOKUPs before.